Okay, so let's recap. Step 1, detox. Provide support to the liver, the kidney, the gut, the lungs, the methylation cycles so that your body can do its job. Number 2, bridge the gaps between where you are now and where you want to be by giving your body the things it's missing, by identifying scientifically what's actually missing and what you actually need. That's the custom approach to nutrition. Number 3, the sleep. Utilize things that are going to enhance your circadian rhythm, fix your actual sleep cycle, not replace it. Number 4, support ongoing liver function and kidney function so that your body is working and it's not getting backed up. That backing up wakes you up. And then number 5, support circadian rhythm function, reduce inflammation, improve cognitive function, reduce anxiety. We go detox, custom nutrition, sleep, night owl defender, bioage. Talk to your team about it if you're interested in this. Let whoever invited you to the group know that you're interested, and start with an assessment, because not everybody needs the same things. Not everybody should be doing the same things. And what matters most is N equals 1, where 1 is you. Stop taking the advice of people who don't understand your life or your circumstances, and stop guessing with what you need, and instead assess so that you can know and you can have confidence in the plan put forth for you. Okay, that's a recap of that. What are some other things we can do to help improve sleep quality? Well, when you join us, you become part of our 90-day roadmap to success. In that 90-day roadmap to success, we talk about hydration daily. We talk about getting sunlight first thing in the morning, because that's another way that you can improve your circadian rhythm. Stop watching television, using electronics, and triggering your cortisol after the sun goes down. Make sure that if you are in front of blue light, you use a blue light blocker, whether that's a screen protector or blue light blocking glasses. You want to block artificial light from affecting your eyes so that it then affects your serotonin, melatonin, and cortisol, because that's a big part of the problem. We sit in front of computers all day long. Look, I'm in front of a computer and a phone right now. We sit in front of computers all day long, and that is part of that biological mismatch that I was talking about. You cannot function optimally. Your body can't do the very thing it was designed to do in the face of the technology that we force it to use on a daily basis. And then we spend all of our time inside instead of outdoors. When we're outdoors more, when we ground, when we get sunlight, those things help connect us back to our natural biology and fix those problems. So every day, get outside. Every day, don't wear sunglasses. When you block the UV light from your eyes, you actually cause ocular damage and ruin your circadian rhythm. So it's really important that you get natural sunlight in your eyes. That's how we were designed. That's our biological design. It's important that you have a routine, a sleep routine, and that is one of the things that we do talk to our clients about, having what we call sleep hygiene. The same routine every single day, whether you're home or away, so that your body gets used to you having a system. Making sure your electrolyte levels are adequate, and sometimes that means, in addition to electrolytes, having magnesium. There are 7 forms. There's actually 8 forms of magnesium. 7 are essential. It's important that you get adequate magnesium every day. That means that you're probably going to supplement with an electrolyte, and you're going to supplement more magnesium at the end of the day. And there's multiple ways to do that. The best way to do that for you is going to be part of having your assessment done. We're able to then guide you in what the most effective things for you are when you go through that process. Also, the obvious, although it's obvious, but a lot of us don't do it. The meditation, the breathing exercises, the things that help us reduce our cortisol on a daily basis. We have to be consistent with those things. Other things that are great, tapping, exercise. When you exercise first thing in the morning, it does help you sleep better at night. But sometimes if you exercise late in the day after work, that can actually prevent you from sleeping very well. Avoiding shift work. One of the biggest group of people we see with sleep disorders are police, fire, Medical providers like EMTs and doctors that work third shift or swing shift, and military. It's the lack of consistent schedule and fighting against the circadian rhythm. So we have to find alternative ways, if you can't change your schedule, to offset the damage that causes. And that's something that, again, your Bedrock team member can walk you through and help you come up with suggestions and ways to actually really make that work. And then the last thing is going to be listening to your body instead of what people on the internet tell you. We have recipes in this group for sleep mocktails to help, things like cherry juice and mag citrate and GABA. And those are all things that you can do yourself, but you've got to create the foundation first, or none of that's going to matter. And so that's where doing your assessment comes in, because that way you'll know that the things that you're doing, you're not just picking and choosing random shit off the internet. You're actually customizing your approach to what your body says it needs, because it's telling you through your symptoms every single day exactly what it wants from you. You just have to know how to listen and respond appropriately. And that's where we come in. So I look forward to myself and my team working with you guys now and forever to help you become the only practitioner you need to solve all of yours and your family's medical issues, health problems, and stay well. I want you to be part of our Bedrock family forever and live your best life. Have a great day.